Welcome to another Exchange 2016 video in the video series Installing Exchange 2016. I am Ed. This is part 4 of the video, and thought I was recording the session, but the session actually got stuck in the background. So just want to bring you up to speed with what we've done. This is my 2016 B server, and in the previous video we did the 2016 A server. I went and installed obviously after joining the machine to the domain, and installed the prerequisites, installed UCMA runtime 4, Visual C++ 2013, and then .NET 4.8, and then I rebooted the machine. I expanded to 15 ISO, double clicking on it to the E drive. And then I launched an elevated command prompt, and I basically started the installation with the command line, and you can see we're calling the setup, we're accepting the Exchange license terms. M stands for mode, so we're doing an install, not an upgrade. R stands for role, we're doing the mailbox role. As explained previously, Exchange only has 2 roles, and that is the mailbox and the edge. So it goes through the setup. It tells you what version or CU that you're installing, copies of files. It was actually pretty quick, and then it lists all the things that it's going to do. So it's going to install languages, then the management tools, and then everything that falls under the mailbox role, all the services: transport service, client access, unified messaging mailbox, front-end transport, and the client access front-end transport service. It then does its prerequisite check. So in the GUI, it will go and check that everything's configured, etc. Then it does its analysis, and it basically gave us a warning to say that setup cannot detect a send connector. The reason being is because in the previous video all we did was install using the GUI, and after that pretty much brought this server in, so we don't have a send connector. It will be configured in a later part of the videos. And then it basically started with the Exchange, and it started preparing the setup, stopped the services, and then now it's busy copying files. And like the previous installation, this sat here for quite a long time. So I'm going to just pause the video or stop the video, and I'll return with a new video on how we will create a DAG, creating the object in Active Directory, giving the permissions to the object, creating the file share witness, granting permissions to the Exchange trusted subsystem, and then assigning an IP and building the DAG. Thank you very much for watching.